In this video, you're gonna learn the secret to speed. Wait, no, that's too clickbaity, guys. Let's do it again. Hello, everyone. In this video, you're gonna be learning how I went from a 4-hour drawing into only 2. Let's get it. No, this is... What is this? You know what? Screw the intro. Hello, everyone. It's Just Banana here, and welcome back to week 4 of my Learning How to Draw Portrait series. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I went from a 4-hour lane into only 2 hours. Let's get right into it. Now, if you were here previously, you would know that I started to work on a real 3D model, and I actually completed it this week. However, it took me 4 hours to do. Now, I wasn't going to spend 4 hours on every single lane that I did, even though it did turn out pretty well. And I could already see you guys typing in the comments, "Hey, but Just Banana, isn't it better to be focusing on making good drawings?" Listen, after spending over 4 hours and 4 days on that same drawing, I knew that I had to improve my speed. Because I mean, I wasn't gonna spend 4 hours and 4 days on every single lane that I did. Come on. And improve that I did. But how? Well, I wish I could say that it was really easy, but it really wasn't. You see, the first thing I improved was the tracing part. In my first lane, I made sure that the tracing was completely perfect, and I just took the tracing part too seriously as the finished piece. When in reality, the tracing part is really only there to help you out with the freehand later in the drawing process. It's there so you can see the proportion and the perspective of the features in advance before starting the freehand. Basically, the tracing part is meant to be a sort of guide for the freehand. Don't get me wrong, you still want to have clean lines for the tracing part. However, you shouldn't spend most of your time on the tracing. The second thing I did was actually watch some of Angel's examples of him drawing the layins in different angles. I paid attention to his brush size and how he was measuring the angles of the features. This helped me get more confident with my layins after I've seen how they should be done, and this also helped me measure and fix my own mistakes when they do come up. The third and final thing that I did to improve my laying speed was... Can we get some drum roll, please? Practice. Yep, just plain old practice. Hey, I said this wasn't gonna be easy, did I? But yeah, you wanna keep on going and you wanna keep on making lanes. Make sure that if you're in the Doodle Warriors community that you check out the critiques that are given in the Discord server. Since sometimes they cover things that I haven't actually considered before that have actually helped me out quite a lot. But with great speed comes great price, which I'll be covering in next week's episode. For now, if you guys are interested in learning how to draw the lines that help me make my lanes faster, check out this video right here, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace!